Okay, this is Wednesday night number 6. Tells us to multiply using fraction form and unit form. Check our answers by counting the decimal places. First one's done for us, so we just have to do this one the same way. So we've got to first start by putting them in fraction form. So I have 4 and 4/10, which is how many tenths total?
44 tenths.
Yeah, you got it, Nikki. So it's 44 tenths, or 44 over 10, times. Now we have 3 and 2/10, so how many tenths is that total?
32 over 10.
Yep, 32 tenths, which we write like that. Now it tells us to go down and put our numerators together. So we're going to have 44 times 32 over, and 10 times 10 we know is 100. You got it. So we followed along so far. So now we actually have to multiply those two numbers. I'm going to go down here to have a little bit more room, but you can do it on the side. So we'll have 44 times 32. But this is going to be 44 what's?
44 tenths.
Yeah, tenths. And this one's going to be 32
Tenths.
tenths. And so we've got to keep that in mind. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8 again. But we're done with our first place value, so we cross it out because we've got two numbers on the bottom.
Partial products to add.
Yep, partial products to add. So we're going to put our place value holder here because we're going under the tenths, which is like 30 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 times 4 is 12 again, plus 1 is 13. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1 is 14. So we got 1,408, but we've got to see our place value. If we're doing tenths times tenths, we're going to end up with hundredths. Okay, so we've got to write that as a fraction over here too. So that's 1,408 over 100. And as a decimal, we'll put our last place value in the place value, or the last digit in the place value they give us. So we're going to have our tenths and hundredths here. We'll put our 8 there and our 0. And then over here, we'll put our 14. So our answer will be 14 and 8 hundredths. And if we were making hundredths here, we'd go in two place values because this would have one there and one there. And that's 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1408. And that checks out. So we did it right. Nice work, Nikki.